It's not weird to ask somebody to move forward. You just have to do it in the right way. And again, you have to have the process for that. Hey, I know you need to think about it. Totally understand, makes sense. You need to speak to your wife if you're not comfortable handling objections like that. Yeah, you need to get uncomfortable. Yes, you need to learn how to do that. I can also teach you how to do that. But if you can't in the beginning, give them something that's going to make them excited to speak to you all. Otherwise, you're just another phone call popping up that they're probably going to ignore and keep doing whatever they were doing. Figure out a way to keep them engaged and get them really amped up to talk to you.